Hey guys, what is up? It's me, Faith, and welcome back to my channel. I'm sure you guys could tell by the title, today I'm going to be unboxing and setting up my brand new iPhone 12. I just went to the Apple store today and picked her up. She is beautiful. I've been on the fence about getting a new phone because I finally upgraded, as my friends call it, my ancient iPhone 7 Plus. I've been waiting to do this, and like last week they launched the purple color and I knew that it was meant to be. When I saw the purple, I knew that it was time for me to upgrade. So yeah, I just got this at the Apple store and I'm going to be unboxing it and setting it up for you guys. So if you're interested in seeing that, then just keep on watching. As always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right below me, and let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, so starting out for the specs of the phone for you people of high knowledge that would like to know. I got the iPhone 12 128GB. This is the 12, not the Pro, not the Pro Max. I thought about getting the Pro or the Pro Max, but genuinely I didn't really need that big of a phone, nor did I need the extra camera. Plus guys, the purple only comes in the 12 and I really wanted the purple. So I got the 12. Honestly, it's amazing. The screen is basically just as big as my 7 Plus. I think it's actually a little bit longer since there's no home button and the screen goes up. So also, this has already been opened, and I'm sorry guys, I can't like truly unbox it for you because they had to put the screen protector on it at the Apple store. I always get the glass screen protectors because it feels just like the screen, which personally I prefer over like the plastic ones. Plus I like it when Apple does it because there's usually like little to no bubbles when they do it, but when I do it, destruction happens. So I let them do it. That's why it's been opened, but it's still an unboxing. I haven't set it up yet, so I'm really excited to do this. It's so sexy. They just whip this out of the back like it's nothing. The Apple store is a really dangerous place for me to go because they make it seem like spending money is not that big of a deal when you're literally buying an iPhone that costs like $800. Guys, one thing I really liked was the Apple logo is like holographic on the side, like a purple holographic kind of print, which I thought was really cool and really aesthetic and matched with the purple, and you know, it just really was made for me. So I'm gonna open the box for you guys. Like I said, this has already been opened, but this is what she looks like. She's the most sexy iPhone that there ever was. Like, tell me that's not the coolest iPhone you've ever seen. It's genuinely amazing. When I tell you this color is made for me, I'm wearing my favorite pants right now, and just let me show you. Like, guys, it literally matches my pants. It doesn't get much better than this. I am obsessed with this color. I think that Apple did a really great job picking this color out because I think it's so pretty and so stunning, and I'm obsessed with it. So let me open it up for you. And this is what the phone looks like. It is turned on and my SIM card is in there just because the guy wanted to make sure it worked, but I have not done anything to it, customized it in any way, shape, or form. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. The edges are just like aluminum purple, and I think it's so pretty. This color is genuinely my favorite thing in the whole world. The power button's so big. I like that these iPhones are thick as like the original ones. I remember the 4S's. I just really like the feel of having like a thicker phone, so I'm really glad that they switched back. Now let me show you what else is in the box. It's usually just your typical stuff. As you guys, I'm sure, have heard, Apple made the phenomenal decision to not include a power brick charger in the box for environmental reasons. So, you know, I'm a little pissed off at that, but it's fine. You know what, guys? I did not feed into the monopoly, and I did not buy a power brick because I'm gonna use my other charger because it works just as fine. This one's supposedly faster, but was I gonna pay $20 today? No. No, I was not gonna give them 20 more bucks after I gave them like $800 for this phone. It does come with the charger cord. This is the USB-C cord, which plugs into all of the new laptops. So this will work on my laptop, which is kind of nice, but I'm really pissed that they didn't include a power brick. Why? Why couldn't they do that? I don't really know, but yeah, it came with this cord, and then it just came with the typical, like, I think there's a sticker. Do they still do the stickers? Yeah, it came with your usual Apple sticker, and you know, that's pretty much it. There's not much in the box anymore, so it's not really anything else in here to open up, but yeah, I guess that's why the box is so much smaller now, which is kind of nice, but at the same time, I'm like, they could have put a power brick in here. Guys, I genuinely don't know what to start with on here. It just has my contacts on here, and I think that's pretty much it. I haven't even set up the like Face ID yet, so we're gonna do that. This is gonna be a long process. I also want to point out that I did trade in my iPhone 7 Plus, and I got a whopping 130 bucks for that thing. I know, guys, I know. You know, I was just thankful I got anything for it. So yeah, if you want to trade in your phone, they do usually give you some degree of money, if you guys wanted to know. It's usually not a lot, but hey, I'll take it. I'll take anything at this point. I have not yet ordered a case for this. I'm probably gonna do it after I film this video. I'm not sure what case I want. I have a poll on my Instagram and it's really close and I still can't decide. I think I know which one I want to get because I want to show the purple more, just because Why would I not want to show this beautiful, stunning color? But I'll show you guys right here on the screen. So this is option number 1 and this is option number 2. Let me know in the comments down below which case you like better, because I want to know. But yeah, I think I'm kind of leaning towards number 1 just because I want to show the purple more. But I don't know yet, so we'll see later. I think this is gonna take me forever to get used to that there's no home button, because I've had a home button my whole life and I don't even know how to act right now. I think I have to set up the Face ID thing. Let me see. I don't know what they have to do to my face. They're gonna like clone me. All right. That was all I had to do. All right, got my Face ID set up. Probably gonna clone me, but do I really care? At this point, no, not really. Now I have to re-download my apps. So let's go see, because I was just going to like carry it over from my previous phone, but my iCloud was full. Surprise, surprise. Guys, I literally had 27,000 photos on my phone. You don't want to know how long it took to get all those off my phone onto my hard drive. It literally took me an entire day to do that. And you know, I have no shame. I went through and deleted like 10,000 of them and I still had that much left. So that is why I got the 128 gigabyte. I'm gonna be a lot more careful with it though. I had a lot of spam pictures on there. I don't know if you guys do this, but I like take screenshots of stuff and I'll forget that I did it and not delete them. And then I also, when I take pictures from my Instagram, I take like a bajillion photos just to get one. So it gets filled up pretty quickly. But I'm going to be better about it, guys. I promise. Keep me to that promise, because I need to be better about that, because it's a general issue. So the Apple guy, Mr. Apple guy, told me I could just go on here and re-download my previous ones. I don't think it has any of my passwords saved on here, which is kind of a bummer. But you know what, guys? It's gonna be okay. We're gonna fix it. Getting all the quintessentials. Disney Plus, gotta get that one. Don't need any of these school apps. I'm so excited, guys, because I just graduated. I don't have to re-download any of these apps I use for school because I'm done. And it feels so good because I keep thinking I need to and then I'm like, wait, I don't. All right, so those are downloading right now. I'm gonna have to like reorganize my whole phone. I want to do something cool and make it aesthetic. Like, you know how people customize their home screens? I never did that on my other phone because I was too lazy and I knew that I'd be indecisive, but I'm gonna try and do it on here. So fingers crossed. I cannot take forever to do this. I'm just really excited because this camera is so much better and I can just take that much better photos because the camera on the 7 was so bad. This is so weird. My phone is like ginormous. This is the one thing I don't like about getting a new phone. Is when I have to type in all my passwords because I genuinely don't know my passwords. I hate my life sometimes. I'm gonna go see if I wrote them down. Be right back. So I found my Instagram password, so that's all signed in. Now I'm just downloading some other apps that I don't have signed in on here. I thought it would save like to my iCloud, but it did not. So, and it's my own fault. I do not blame anyone but myself. Okay, so I've downloaded most of the apps that I use frequently, and now I'm just trying to like organize them. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see a what's on my iPhone video, because I will for sure do that once I get everything reinstalled. But this is probably gonna take me a few days to realize the apps that I need and what I don't need, because I think I forgot about some of them. So hopefully we can figure that out. I just realized that I haven't connected to my Wi-Fi yet, so I probably should do that. That's just a good idea, you know? I'm gonna go ahead and look for a new screensaver. I honestly don't really know where to look for one. I'm gonna try Pinterest first, which I have not signed into Pinterest. I genuinely don't know what my Pinterest is, so we're just gonna make a new account with my Apple ID. I don't know why I smile when it says Face ID. I just go like, I'm not really seeing any cool. That one's kind of cool. It has like fire with butterflies, but I don't know if I'm like sold on that, you know? I'm really indecisive. This is really bad. This is a really bad problem for me to have. I could just make my own, but that would take forever. And do I look like I have time for that? No. Do they have like a 21 Pilots one? 21 Pilots' new colorway is pretty sick. For their Scaled and Icy album that's coming out really soon. Actually, by the time this video is posted, it probably will be out. So I had to go ask my brother how to screenshot because I literally did not know. But I figured it out. And right now I just have Trash the Dragon as my background on my phone. I've not yet decided on it, but it's probably gonna take me a few days to figure out what I want to do to it. I need like a lock screen, but I think I'm just gonna do a picture of Gizmo because that's usually what I do. I love how like there's a few pictures that came over and I really like the memes that brought over. This one, you know, this is a classic. It's a good meme. And then this one of my personal favorites. There's so many good memes from this movie, but you know, I have to keep some of my fave memes on here. The rest of them are on my laptop, so I'll get those off momentarily. I think I've pretty much gotten most of my stuff on here. Like I said, I still have to like sign in to a crap ton of stuff. I'm really excited to use this. Definitely let me know if there's any features that you guys really like in the new phone that I'm not aware of, because I genuinely probably don't know. And I would love to know because I think it's really fun. I love this so much and I'm so excited to use this, and I'm just, you know, it was time for an upgrade. And I'm glad I did it, and here we are. You know, this is my reward for graduating college. That's what I look at it as. So yeah, I think that's gonna do it for this video. And like I said, definitely let me know in the comments down below what case do you think I should get, because I need to order that. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys soon. Like I said, I'm gonna be posting a lot more regularly now that it's summertime and I'm graduated. So drop your video suggestions down below and I'll be sure to check those out. And yeah, if you guys haven't done so yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button right below me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.
Blessings come in my